Welcome back to my channel. So, are you ready for the slate of the day? Are you? Are you ready? So, let's go. Let's go check out the slate of the day. So I'm going to use what has become my favorite. It got to be curl form. Put some in there to form it up. Bring out those curls. Look at that. And look, I got it on my shirt. Oh, that is just ridiculous. So let's lean over and put some in there so I won't be wasting it all over my shirt. I'm going to style this up and I'll be back. Look at those beautiful curls. It looks a mess now, but we're going to get it together. We're going to get it together. So, look at that. I am just loving these little, curly units. So, this unit of the slate of the day, this is from Outre. This is Miss Tati. I believe I'm pronouncing that right. I'm not sure. But this is Miss Tati. She can be curled up to 300 degrees. This is Outre's Wigpop synthetic full wig. This is how she's looking on the card. So she's looking on the card. And I have her in what they call chocolate swirl. Can y'all see those colors? It's just, dark and light color browns. It is really pretty. As you saw when I first put it on and just, from the card, it is more or less styled to go, you know, to the right. But of course, I'm a lefty or I'm a bang type of girl because like I said, I am just 2021 is going to be the year of the shorts. The short, okay, the short, the curly units. I mean, for me, could be for you as well. But all I did was, I am just loving this. Got to be twisted. This air dry curl form. I am loving this. I am just loving this because, like I said once before, because it doesn't make the unit stiff. Like if you were to put in the mousse to your hair, it doesn't have it stiff after. It's still the same. Your hair still has that same texture, that softness, because this unit is very soft. Even though it's a little tight, curls as usual. Well, like I was saying, it's a little curl, tight curls. But for me, because I'm not a right side kind of girl, I took and moved it down. I I cut me some little bangs, just to, frame my face. But this synthetic full cap, once again, a great pop on and go. If you want to be that curly type of girl, I mean, it's natural looking. As you saw, you have your comb to the back, along with your adjustable straps. You also have a comb on the left and the right, which for me are gone because I don't like anything sticking. So, this is just cute. This is a soft curly yaggy texture. Okay. Also big hair friendly. It comes in 6 different colors. The colors are cute, but I was just interested in trying out the chocolate swirl. The browns, because I mean, if you've been following me, you already know my hair is naturally, dark brown. It's never been black. I dyed it black. But this unit, look, you just fuck around all day, all day, all day. It looks natural. It looks natural. So, of course, this unit is what? I'm going to say about 8 to 10, in length. Of course, the more you manipulate it, it's going to get bigger. It will get longer if that's what you choose to do. But for me right now, I like the little short kind of, compact, if you could use that word for a wig, compact kind of hair. So, with that being said, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course, subscribe. All the descriptions will be left down in the box below. And I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye, everyone.